So guys, I went camping. As you can see, I'm out here. I'm roasting meat, and I don't know what I'm doing, but let's see. That is what I'm doing right there. So I'm here, and everybody is just staring at me like, where is this girl from? But well, I'm here. That's the most important thing. So this is where I'm camping. This is where I'm camping tonight. This is where I'm sleeping. So right now I'm gonna put on some fire and then yeah, maybe I should put these here, I think. So oops, it's not working. That's my firewood right there. I'm going to put on some fire so that I can start cooking. I want to get some, what is this called? Firewood? I hope this works. Finally, I did it. I'm gonna put those woods over there so that it can dry up because I think they're wet. And then I'm just going to prepare everything else so that I can cook. Here I'm just about to start cooking right now. So I have some meat, so that's what I'm going to get inside this tiny. Okay, that didn't go so well. Okay, so I have some bananas here and some meat that I bought earlier on. So I'm going to prepare everything. I'm going to roast both the meat and the bananas. So I'm gonna make this banana, and I have some meat here. So we're gonna roast this. And yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna put some So we're gonna go. Here's what we're making. A platano and yeah, this. I'm gonna put that there. Okay. Honestly, I've never roasted, so I even don't know what to do. So I think I'm just gonna put I don't know, what am I gonna do? Yes. is messed up. So just gonna put it. How do people roast meat? Is the fire too much? Oh god. Okay, this is weird. So I'm just gonna let it as it is. Hi everybody. So I have never roasted meat in my entire life. I don't even know what I'm doing right now, but I'm just doing that, as you can see, and I hope it turns out okay. This is my first night and it's my first time camping, and I have no idea what I'm doing. I honestly have no idea what I'm doing. Am I scared? A little bit, because this is where I am. Down there is a lake. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that. So yeah, and my tent is over there. So I'm just waiting for my dinner, and then I go on and sleep. So I'm gonna turn the meter. As I was saying, I'm just gonna sit down as I wait for my dinner to get ready. Well, the mosquitoes have just started. This is my first time to be out here by myself alone. As you can see, there's nobody alone. I'm excited, I'm nervous. I just hope this first night goes on smoothly, so that I am motivated to do more of this, because it's something that I have been looking forward to for the longest time. So yeah, let's see how it goes. I'll keep you updated. It's such a beautiful place. I'm gonna show you around tomorrow. And yeah, applause for me for camping out alone, solo, for the first time. Okay, let's check that. We have to check that. Let's see how it goes. This is not so good. Not what I expected, honestly. Okay, let's see how this is. I don't know how somebody knows if it's good. I honestly don't know how to know if it's good or not good. But I think I'm just gonna get it out like that, because I have no idea. I have no idea. This is the best that I could do. I don't know if it's good or whatever I just did. I don't know, but I'm just gonna have it like that because I'm tired. I need to rest for tomorrow. So guys, this is my first meal ever. Okay, I think I'm gonna put this here, and okay, this is my banana. I don't know if it's okay or not okay, but bueno. And here is my roasted meat. I didn't do bad. It's good. Muy rica. Applause for me. So yeah. So that is it today, guys.